The Pilot Custom Heritage is a great daily writer made by the Japanese manufacturer from Tokyo. This model is available in a different range of colors, and the availability of those sometimes differs from market to market. Here you can see the Custom Heritage 92 Demonstrator and the Custom Heritage 91 in a deep blue body and cap. The Heritage 92 Demonstrator features a piston filling mechanism, and the Custom Heritage 91 features a converter cartridge filling mechanism. Both models are fitted with a very smooth 14-karat gold nib, available in fine, medium and broad.